Nasolabial folds, jowls, puffiness, and under-eye wrinkles. All of these appear because certain facial muscles stay tense for too long. When these muscles are tight, they pull the skin downward and create those aging lines. Our goal is to relax these overworked muscles so they stop dragging the skin and allow your face to lift naturally again. And in this video, I'll show you simple exercises that, with just 10 minutes a day, can help reduce these issues and give your face a more lifted, youthful look.